In today's video, we're going to go over the only level that I'm concerned about. If we get a daily close above this level or below this level, it will decide the fate for the direction of BTC and crypto, in my opinion, right now with where we are at. In my last video on Thursday or Friday, whenever I posted this, we were expecting this down move to play out. After this consolidation, we got this down move to play out. Where is it? Here's what I had sketched up. Here's how it played out. Beautifully, but not perfect. And I'm going to go over why today there is potential for some serious downside on the Bitcoin charts. My previous analysis, I wanted to come and sweep this liquidity after this move down. We got this move down. I'm not confident we're going to go take this and take out all-time high with how this wave to the downside progressed. We're going to go over that today. Guys, if you do not know what the hell I'm talking about in these videos, it's Elliott Wave Theory. Make sure you're in the free Discord. There is a free Elliott Wave Bootcamp right there, 3 hours long video modules. Take the course. Also, if you want to try out premium Discord, has all of my trades, alerts, signals, custom analysis, so much more. Check it out here. Just click upgrade here. I'm running a promo. You can get up to 1 month of free premium Discord access, full access for free for up to a month. Just click upgrade here and you can read exactly what you got to do to get it. Basically sign up and trade on Blowfin, on BitUnix, my 2 exchanges. All right, check it out. That is pinned in the first comment down below. The free Discord, just join up and you'll get access to all those channels. You can read through everything. All right, let's get into this analysis. Starting on the macro for Bitcoin, this bearish divergence is still in play in a big way on the daily time frame. Guys, this is no joke. When I see bearish divergence forming and actually setting in all the way up here at all-time highs with pretty much a finished 5-wave structure completed. Anywhere up here I'm looking to finish, guys. I mean, this, I don't foresee a blow off top coming. I've been saying this for the longest time now. XRP right here, I was calling for this to be a top right here. Everyone thought XRP was going to go to the promised land and just rip to the upside. I said no. You can go back to my videos when we were right here. We were fully expecting this move to the upside, looking for a flat to play out, and it looks good so far. I think a lot of people are shocked with XRP specifically. Ethereum on the daily time frame, looking for this big triangle to play out on the macro. Again, invalidation on this is right here, right above this high. I think it comes in at like 4,100, something like that. That's going to be my invalidation, and we're holding below it. It's looking a little bullish on the smaller time frames. I ain't gonna lie, it is. I get it. But Ethereum's showing similar signs for downside, and I do have a line in the sand right now as well for Ethereum. I'm going to go over in 1 second. DXY is hitting the 1-to-1, bounced off it perfectly of this ABC flat or zigzag correction. We had this drawn out. You go back to my videos a year ago, guys, a year ago. We were back in here. We called for this move to the upside, sweeping liquidity here, and then this downside. All the way when we were back in here, we kind of assumed a zigzag correction was coming into play, looking to bounce off this trend line down here and impulse out. I mean, it's almost working too well. It's a little suspicious how well this wave structure is playing out, but according to plan, looking good. Should put downward pressure on crypto markets and BTC. So long as we hold this 1-to-1 right here that we bounced off of and hold this trend line, I do see an impulsive wave coming to the upside for DXY. I talked about this in excess over on X about the Genius Act, how it may increase or lead to a pump in DXY, downward pressure on crypto for the immediate term, not forever, but in the immediate term. Make sure you drop a follow on X if you're not already. I don't know why you wouldn't be following me over there at chart_junkies, pinned in the first comment down below right here. My history. Breaking Benjamin Brent drum cover. Love the drum covers, guys. Love the drum covers. Big musician guy over here, right? Anyways, so going back to BTC, we're gonna go smaller time frame. I'm gonna show you this line in the sand target for me. It is occurring right now on the daily time frame. But I really just want to stress the importance of this really looking like a finished 5-wave impulse to the upside. On the macro, I'm expecting a corrective move to the downside, correcting this entire move up. I mean, it doesn't have to look like this, guys. We know we can have a triangle right here and then start ripping. We can have a flat correction and then start ripping. We can have a simple zigzag, then start ripping. We can have a double correction, WXY, and then start ripping. All I'm saying is we're going to have bearishness right here, allowing for BTC to gather up the strength to make that big monstrous move to the upside. I'm long-term bullish on crypto, guys. I think you got to be like, I mean, that's obvious, right? Crypto go up, but there's a method to the madness here. These things take time, and the wave structure needs to play out. Going closer up on this, so originally in my previous video, I told you guys I can't have price come below right here. This is around 110K. And reason being is for this to spike to the high one more time, I'm going to be counting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be my finished impulse right there on BTC. And that will finish up this last impulse, which will finish up the previous impulse. Like, I mean, it's the 5th of the 5th of the 5th, guys. And in order for me, let me zoom back in here, to entertain the possibility of one more high, I need to maintain price above our wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we dip below wave 1 and invalidates this impulsive wave, we're going to have to look at it a different way. There is potential for this wave to be finished right here, and I'm counting it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, as long as you guys know that. And that's kind of what I want to bring to your attention here today, as I am sitting short. Premium Discord is sitting short, and for me, it's a pretty clear trade. Again, if you want access to my trades, guys, and all my alerts, make sure you just click upgrade here, and you can get up to a free month of premium. Now is the time to do it. I'm running it for August only. I got a brand new campaign launched with Blowfin. It is the best one they have. I'll go over that at the end of the video, but I figured I'll run that promotion for the Discord access while I have the new Blowfin campaign up as well, so you can get your biggest bang for your buck with deposit bonuses and everything. But for this to maintain its impulsive structure, I need to stay above this possible wave 1. If we dip below this wave 1, I'm going to consider this being a 5-wave impulse finished right here. This wave is no longer going to happen, in my opinion, and we are going to start our downwards descent. We're at a pivotal moment where this can be an ABC, guys. It looks good when you're zoomed out on the daily. Let me just get rid of everything. Looks like a very good, you know, finished zigzag, what we were expecting, and then one more high to come into play. But, oops, when we zoom in on the smaller time frames, I don't see a finished 5 waves for our C leg, and that's really throwing me off. For our A leg, I have 5 waves. I have this being a big flat to B. I have a 1, 2, 3, maybe this is 4, looking for 5 down. Like, it just doesn't look finished. This looks like a zigzag right here to me. It just doesn't look finished. So how I am approaching this, because if we go down for one more low for 5 waves here, we're going to get pretty damn close to this 110K target, which would invalidate further upside in the immediate term for me. So how I am approaching this, if we go to the daily time frame, I think I have a chart here. I thought I had a chart here showing this. Maybe not. Either way, we'll go to the daily time frame right here. We have this candle imbalance right here on the daily time frame. This is a big time frame. Right here is the imbalance, which we are maintaining right now. We have retested it, and in my opinion, this comes in at what? Good old price marker. 115.5K, we'll say 115.5K. So As long as we have daily closes underneath 115.5k, we can wick above like we did here. I'm looking for daily closes below 115.5k, and we maintain this imbalance. I'm going to be looking at this very bearishly, guys. Very bearishly. This isn't a mediocre bearishness. This is very bearishly, because I have a 1 here into a 2, and then a possible 1, 2 into a big time 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, like sub 95k is what we're looking at. If we hold this and we dip down, it's just going to be too deep for me to consider more upwards movement in the immediate term. I will be calling for top to be in, and I think it's a very good opportunity right now with price retesting this imbalance to test out some shorts. And so long as we maintain daily closure below 115.5k, there's a really good chance we get some serious dumpage. If we get a daily close above 115.5k, there's a really good chance that we say, screw it, this is a good enough zigzag structure. It's not perfect in here, but job has been completed, liquidity has been taken, and we're going to hit to the upside one more time. Okay. Daily close above 115.5k, I'm going to say all-time high is getting taken out one more time. Daily close remains below 115.5k, I'm going to say we are very, very, very bearish. Okay. I hope I'm making sense in my reasoning for that. I don't know if I'm kind of conveying that well enough. If you got any questions, leave a comment down below. And guys, Blowfin is the best no KYC exchange out right now. They have been my main exchange for the longest time. I hooked you up with the best possible promotion, the best campaign they have available. It's a 15% deposit bonus, which is huge, plus up to $9,400 in additional trading bonuses, plus VIP for life, VIP trading fee reduction for life. All you need to do is click the link below or use code ChartJunkies. You get access to it. It'll bring you right over to this page. Sign up with your email. They're the best no KYC exchange in the game. Also, if you want a free month of premium, click upgrade here in the free Discord. Check it out. All you got to do is sign up and trade on Blowfin. And if you want to do Blowfin and BitUnix, you will get more time in the premium Discord for free. Read all the rules here. Check out premium Discord here. I have a video showing everything that's included. As always, I appreciate you guys watching this and hanging out with me. Trade safe. I love you. Peace.